Flying can be stressful and even painful, especially during long flights where you're stuck in the same position for hours. But there's a simple, often overlooked hack that can help make your journey much more bearable. It's called the tennis ball hack. In this video, we'll show you why packing a tennis ball can make a huge difference in your comfort during your flight. Why pack a tennis ball? You might be wondering, why on earth would I pack a tennis ball in my luggage? Well, it's not just for a game of catch. A tennis ball can be a game changer on long flights. It's small, lightweight, and can help reduce discomfort by acting as a mini massager. You can toss it into your carry-on bag without taking up much space, and it's allowed through security without any issues. Let's dive into the benefits. Improves blood circulation. Airplane seats aren't known for their spaciousness, and the limited legroom can cause poor blood circulation, especially during long-haul flights. This can make your legs and feet swell, leading to discomfort or even potential health issues like blood clots. But here's where the tennis ball comes in handy. By gently rolling it under your feet, calves, or thighs, you can stimulate blood flow and prevent stiffness. It's like giving your legs a mini workout while you're sitting. Eases muscle tension. Sitting in the same position for hours can cause your muscles to tighten up, leading to soreness and tension, especially in your back and shoulders. A tennis ball can serve as a simple massage tool to relieve this tension. Just place it between your back and the seat and move your body slightly to allow the ball to massage your muscles. It's like having a portable masseuse with you. Relieves ear pressure. Ear pressure during takeoff and landing is one of the most annoying parts of flying. While chewing gum or yawning can help, here's a lesser-known trick: use a tennis ball. Place it under your chin and press it gently against your throat while lowering your face. This can help open your eustachian tubes, reducing that uncomfortable ear-popping sensation. It may sound odd, but give it a try, it really works. Lightweight and easy to carry. Unlike some bulky travel gadgets, a tennis ball is incredibly lightweight and easy to carry. You can toss it into your carry-on bag or even in your pocket, and it won't take up valuable space. Plus, it's affordable. No need to invest in expensive massaging devices when a simple tennis ball can do the trick. How to use the tennis ball on a flight. Now that you know the benefits, let's go over how to use a tennis ball during your flight. For a foot massage, simply remove your shoes and roll the ball gently under your feet. Apply enough pressure to feel a comfortable stretch, but don't press too hard. You want relief, not pain. For your back, place the ball between your back and the seat, then move your body slowly to massage your spine. Finally, for your legs, roll the ball along your thighs or calves to keep your blood flowing and prevent stiffness. Extra tips for a comfy flight. Aside from the tennis ball hack, there are other simple ways to stay comfortable during a long flight. First, drink plenty of water to stay hydrated. Airplane cabins are notoriously dry, which can lead to headaches and fatigue. Stretch and walk around when possible to keep your blood circulating. Even small stretches in your seat can make a difference. Lastly, bring your favorite comfort items like a neck pillow, eye mask, or even a small blanket to create a cozy environment. The more relaxed you are, the better your flight will feel. Sometimes, flying can be a challenge, but with a simple item like a tennis ball, you can turn an uncomfortable flight into a more pleasant experience. Whether you're using it to improve circulation, ease muscle tension, or relieve ear pressure, this little ball packs a big punch when it comes to comfort. Combine it with other tips like staying hydrated and stretching, and you'll arrive at your destination feeling much more refreshed. Give it a try on your next flight and see the difference for yourself. I hope this video helps you have a more comfortable flight. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Travel Closely for more travel hacks and advice. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.